Jaltest gives you the flexibility to gain access to a vehicle or module through several options: specific cable adapter or using a multi-pin selection. Multi-pins can be used when you don't have a specific cable but need access, a damage point, or to connect to a component module such as a gearbox when removed from a vehicle. To gain access to a singular module, select the ECU, click the cable icon, choose your connections, select multi-pins. Using the pinout guide, identify the pins required. The first pin reference is the vehicle or machine. The second reference is the Jaltest pinout configuration. Connect the relevant JTP connections to the cable adapter. Connect to the vehicle or machine's own power supply. Click Connect. The multi-pin adapter. Power cables. JTP multi-pins.